This is the National Library of Wales in Aberystwyth. Many different materials are collected and kept safe here, including collections of books, maps, pictures, newspapers, films, and old manuscripts. In this video we shall be looking at one important manuscript in particular, the White Book of Rhydderch. The manuscript contains old traditional Welsh tales and legends, stories about love, revenge, envy and pride, and plenty of magic spells. A very long time ago, storytellers would travel across Wales reciting these stories. They would visit courts, palaces and castles telling their epic tales. These were passed on by word of mouth from generation to generation, and through the centuries they became more and more incredible. Sometime around the year 1350, monks in Strata Florida Abbey near Pontrhydd Fendigaid in Ceredigion wrote down a collection of these stories in a book. These stories became well known as the Tales of the Mabinogion. You must have heard about the Mabinogion. What about Bendigeidfran the giant and his sister Branwen? The story of Pwyll Pendefig Dyfed and Rhiannon, or Gwydion the magician and Blodeuwedd the girl created from flowers. By now the tales are known throughout Wales and the rest of the world, but they were written down for the first time in this manuscript. The manuscript is known as the White Book of Rhydderch because its covers are bound in very pale leather, and it was written for a wealthy gentleman named Rhydderch ap Ieuan Llwyd. If this book hadn't survived, we may never have heard about the tales of the Mabinogi. It's amazing how the monks were able to write so neatly and consistently, page after page. But even though the writing is precise, it's difficult to read and understand the stories today because they've been written in medieval Welsh. The Welsh language has changed a lot since this book was written, so many of the words aren't familiar to us, but we can still recognise some. The White Book of Rhydderch is one of Wales's most important antiquities, and it is stored safely in the National Library of Wales.